Okay? You are my lover and you're not aware of it. But I'm your lover 'cause I'm not aware of it. I have Mr. Monkey to thank because of my love and your operation and your love and rotation and your love and your love and your love and irritation and your love and your generation up in your family tree, and you get all up in your monkey. Don't monkey around with it. Don't you get ashamed, baby, 'cause monkeying around with me makes you a monkey too. Yeah, 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 yeah. Makes a monkey too.